Hello, welcome to the 2024 Spring Cleaning Declutter Challenge. I am Spring Courtwright with TidyWild Organizing, and I will be your host. I am so excited to do this with you, I'm so honored to embark upon this journey with you. This is an adventure, and I've been a guide for 25 years for outdoor guiding and now a professional organizer for 10 years. And I can't wait to share my tips to help you declutter. So my goal is to help you clear clutter and feel better. Those are my biggest goals. If you're with me, these are some of the ways that I'll be helping you out. So I'll be sending daily emails starting on Monday, March 18th. So make sure to check your inbox for those. I will also be doing a daily Zoom call Monday through Wednesday and also Saturday, but Saturday is a special day. And they're at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I will be sharing tips and tricks and inspiration and maybe some surprising ways that I decluttered my own house, whole thing, and the way that I've helped hundreds of clients over the years. And Saturday, March 23rd, is Declutter Day. I've hosted many of these. It's also free, and we'll again have a Zoom call at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The links should be below, the Zoom call links. And you can share your project, share what you plan to do, ask me questions. I can give you some guidance on your personal project. And then throughout the day, I'm available by text, phone call, video call to help you through if you get stuck or just want some guidance. And then we'll check in again in the afternoon at 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we'll just do a check-in, share wins, talk about the next steps so you can keep going. So make sure and get those dates on your calendar. March 18th, 19th, 20th, and 23rd are when we have Zoom calls at 9:30 a.m. Let's see, I just wanted to check my notes, see if there's anything else. Oh, I'll be sharing more in emails and on the Zoom calls. But before we even begin, I just wanted to encourage you to choose one very small project to begin with. I'll be sharing more ideas again, but some ideas that you might want to think about, like walk around your house, take some pictures. I would recommend walking through your entire house and taking pictures of all the spaces, because those are going to be your before pictures. When you're done, it's going to be amazing, the comparison. So some of the ideas, some places that might be easy to start: the kitchen sink, one cupboard, the pantry, or one shelf in the pantry, or one category in the pantry. That's actually the very easiest way to start. A closet, small closet, a dresser, a shelf, maybe a category. Categories are wonderful places to start. So you can say, I want to do this closet, and I'm going to start with my towels. Okay, and I'll go through all the steps of how to do that. But I just wanted to get you thinking to start small. We want to get easy wins under our belts. One way to get started, besides going around your house, thinking about where you want to start, is to read my new blog post. It's called My Top 10 Tips for Decluttering Success. And I lay out exactly how I recommend going through and how I cleared my own house. I'll also have some worksheets and other little tips and tricks along the way. So I'm here for you. This declutter project is for both of us. I have piles right here that I am so excited. I've been looking forward to these days of decluttering myself. So reach out, please share with friends, invite everybody you know who's frustrated with clutter, and know that I'm here for you. You can text me anytime. My phone number is 360-265-2477, or you can find me on Facebook at Spring Courtwright or TidyWild Organizing. And I'm also on Instagram And you can message me in any of those places. I would love to hear from you. And let's get going. Happy spring.